Goodman running. I can't get back to it, but it's a 2025 ton. And this one was actually just running, but it just shut off. It's been a while since I filmed these units. It's actually been over a year since I filmed them. That one's currently running in heat mode. And I think this one was running at some point. 2024 ton. It has a Copeland scroll compressor. And I thought I'd come to these units, try for a defrost cycle, but it seems like that one's the only one running. But yeah. Nice units. Anyways, thanks for watching.